Art of writing essay questions. Definition. If the examiner explains with evidence, illustrates with a diagram, reasons out, evaluates, generalizes, verifies the hypothesis, differentiates, makes similarities in an elaborative manner for a question, then that question is termed as essay question. So shall we go for the criteria of construction of essay question? We have to set a question to the expected ability. Suppose if you want to test the application ability, then the question has to be set on that ability. Let us take the application ability. Here the question is give to example of metals. Is that question rightly asked? What's your answer? No, that one was wrong. Then what is right? Give to examples of metals. See, examples, cite examples will come in understanding. So cite examples is the specific instructional objective of the understanding general instructional objective. So what's the correct question? Prove with evidence that gold is a metal. Explanation with evidence. Prove with evidence is the SIO. So, and application is the GIO. Proving with evidence is the SIO and apply is the GIO. So appropriate wordings. For the question, we have to use appropriate. Explain the taxonomy of educational objectives. Explanation. Is that right? Is the question is right? No. So what is the problem here? Explain the taxonomy of educational objectives. If we ask this question simply, there are 19 such taxonomies. Out of the 19, Benjamin Bloom is quite famous and it is widely accepted. Therefore, how to write the correct wording of the appropriate wording? Explain Benjamin Bloom's taxonomy of educational explanation. So that is the SIO. Explanation is the SIO and apply is the GIO. The time for answering an essay question is to be taken into account. Generally 30 minutes can be given. Now let us take a semester paper where 60 marks is for the externals and 40 marks for the internals. The 60 marks external, it will be 180 minutes. How we are breaking it? So section A, we have 10 one more question. That is of approximately 1.5 minutes time. It will be 15 minutes. Section B, so we have 5 questions of 4 mark each. So one question is of 15 minutes and totally 75 minutes. Part C, so we have 3 questions of marks 10. So each question is of 30, half an hour and total 90 minutes. So if we add, you will get 3 hours. So that's why we have to take the time necessary to answer the question. Questions to be asked before, to be asked directly and not roundabout. So example, during 1453 there was a series of conferences in USA on the taxonomy of educational objective under the chairmanship of explain the outcome of the conference. See how many extra words we are using. So how to correct it? Explain Benjamin Bloom's taxonomy of education. This is very words are less and correct. Advantages. Expressing ability of the student is known, which is not possible in objective question. Language ability of the student is known. Freedom in writing. So all the abilities from K1 to K6 of cognitive domain can be measured. Easy to construct. Limitations. Subjectivity in measuring. Unable to measure through machine. Time is required for declaration of results. Rote memory is motivated. Bluffing. So writing story is possible. So you now construct 4 questions, 2 each for apply and analysis. 2 in apply and 2 in analysis. So thank you.